Calc class isn't the best place to get a 5, so my help is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing mouth, eating snacks, then we graph slopes.
College board comes and throws its eyes right at me, and trust me, I'll get a 5. Now do my test up, put a 5 on the score box, and then we calculate. And I'm graphing a
Maclaurin polynomial.
On X plus
These
1.
problems seem too elementary for me. Come on now, follow my lead. Finding derivatives implicitly. Say Newton, let's talk polar graphs. Calculate the area of a rose curve for me. Come on now, follow my lead. Add those sectors, you will see. I'm in love with Maclaurin and you. Differentiate like Euler too. Unsimplified answers are okay. That's what we call the Aiden's way.
And last night I was in my room, doing quarter 1 notes 2. Did some integrals, then I felt brand new.
I'm in love with you, V voodoo, 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 voodoo. Or I'll substitute with you. I'll use those partial fractions too.
A, B, A, B, A, B.
Or I'll just use the power rule. Every day I'll learn a new integration tool. I'm in love with you, V
When
voodoo.
we can let the story begin, we're walking into our AP test.
Yeah!
You and me, we're clever. Double check the same number, turn off your phone as a tourist request.
Scribble for hours and hours, bubble in them answers before the tour screen.
Pencils down!
And walk out of the gym where the grimlets begin to go home and take a long rest. And I'm feeling pretty ASSURED. Calculus was handmade for somebody like me. Don't forget the FTCs. Integral of f prime from a to b is f of b minus f of a. Apply chain rule in the second FTC. F of g times cg, f of t times cg.
Yo, look, I'm an AP Calc BC. Derivatives and integrals trying to challenge me. Starting with limits approaching 0 steadily. I have L'Hopital's for solving limits heavily.
0 over 0, that is indeterminate. How about A-Rock and I-Rock? Less determinate. IVT and MVT continuous is the key. Differential from LVT, no set it's easy.
Volume of solids, revolutions like a breeze, length of an arc integrating with ease, convergent series, summing up so nicely, and Taylor's series approximating precisely.
Geometric power limit, which is the best? If all of them fails, then use the integral test. I don't care, I'd rather use the ratio test instead. Finding radius of convergence, the series are bust. When you see infinite terms, remember darling P. Get your homework done on time, just like your brushing teeth. When you see infinite terms, remember darling P. Get your homework done on time, just like your brushing teeth. I'm in love with volume and you. Finding cross sections first to do. Reflect from axis point of view. Does radius change with x or y?
And last night I was in my room, doing quarter 2 notes 2. Did some integrals, then I felt brand new.
I'm in love with you, V voodoo, 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 voodoo. Or I'll substitute with you. I'll use those partial fractions too. A, B, A, B, A, B. Or I'll just use the power rule. Every day I learn a new integration tool. I'm in love with you, V
Come
voodoo.
on, don't forget those pluses.
Come on, different sequences series.
Come on, go and check those endpoints.
Come on, graphing you should exploit.
Come on, f prime is the NE.
When f doesn't have continuity.
Come on, it's not integral to infinity. Come on, make your limit of b. I'm in love with Maclaurin and you. Differentiate like Euler too. Unsimplified answers are okay. That's what we call the Aiden's way. And last night I was in my room, doing quarter 3 notes 2. Did some integrals, then I felt brand new. I'm in love with you, V voodoo. 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 Every day I learn a new integration tool. I'm in love with you, V voodoo. Yeah.
We're keeping that.
That was actually,
Let's go film.
that was probably the best.